Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in Bumble from your web browser. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type bumble.com and hit on enter right now. Well, this is the official homepage. At the navbar, initially you will not see the sign in button. What you need to do is simply scroll down and you'll see something like this right here. At the very end, next to this language tab, you will see something like sign in. Click on this sign in button right here. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options to sign in. For instance, your Facebook ID, Apple ID, or your cell phone number. You can choose anyone you wish. Do note that you should sign in with the same method you signed up. I signed up using Facebook, so I'm gonna click on the first option. And guys, there you go. It did not ask me for a confirmation because I had already provided it. In case it asks you for any confirmation, simply hit on continue or confirm. Well guys, that's it. That's how we log into Bumble on your web browser. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.